Yeah.
I got yellow bricks looking like they SpongeBob. Bitch yellow like the number 2, pencil number 1, I ain't number 2. Sitting on the money, I'm sitting on the money, like I'm sitting on the toilet. Motherfuckers need to forget, don't forget what I came to forget. I'm just going in on the thought and I can't even know. I don't even know what I came for. She don't even know what she came for. She on the floor and I get the brain. She on the floor and I fuck her cranium up. I'm fucking the mind literally. Fucking with her spiritually. Got her emotions fucked up. She need to go to church. I need to go to church with the word. I'm like, damn. Remember that shit? I was high in that bitch. Yeah, remember that shit? I got high with your bitch. Yellow bricks like on SpongeBob. Yeah. Yellow bitch like a number 2 pencil. I don't use no utensil. I don't use no pencil. Ain't no pad in this bitch. Your bitch loving the refreshments. The shit that you speak of is really past tense. All my niggas body nah, never hesitant. Actually hella been on getting extra chips with this bitch like I'm from France. She wanna fuck with me and my friends. Welcome then. Welcome to this session. Shit get so hectic. All my niggas really bout that bombastic, fantastic. Make you stand straight up like them fantastics. She loving it, really though. Silly with the flow. Silly with these hoes, laughing at you niggas is straight up imposter. Cook up the game like I'm whipping pasta. Woo. Yeah, we just go in like we got VIP. Motherfuckers don't try me and they don't try us.